Alright, now, I kind of come around me because it meant a lot to me. Because there's been a lot of prayers here. And a lot of prayers that you don't realize that's been prayed in this room for a lot of people. And you never know who they were for. And Paul remembers helping build this room and never thought one day he'd be standing here with great grandbabies and kneel down and asking his grandbabies to pray for him. So let's have a prayer together, okay? Can we do that? Okay. Almighty God, our Heavenly Father, we pause at this time to reflect upon, no matter where we go, that we can go to you in prayer. We can ask your blessings to be upon us, whether our eyes are open or our eyes are closed, because you keep your eyes open as you watch us, and you keep your eyes open as you listen and see what we're doing and how our lives is going. You asked us to trust you. You asked us to obey your word. You asked us to obey our parents the first time they asked us to do something. And from those things we learn a lot. Because the first time you asked us to trust you, you didn't say everything 20 times to get us to do something. You asked us to trust you. Father, right now I'm trusting in your word. I'm trusting in the power of that word. I'm trusting in the power of the promises that you're going to do what's best for this body. And the spirit that lives within this body will one day live with you forever. And I know that. And it can come sooner or it can come later in life. It can come when these children are old. We don't know. Right now we're dealing with a cancer that's in my mouth. I feel good about it. I can swallow now. I can open my mouth where I couldn't open it. And I can hug my grandbabies and my children and Chris and David and Tiffany and Bethany and Ava and Luke and those that aren't here and Tammy and Ben. And Father, I'm just thankful. I'm thankful that we're making the choice and what we're doing, and it takes an effort from all of us to really just say we want what's best, and for the way we're going. I know it will be a long trip. There's nothing short about it. There's nothing short about it. But the continuous love of my children and the continuous love of my grandchildren as they pray for their grandpa and their grandma. She helps them. These are powerful things in my life. And as they stand before me, this is as tall as I am in their life. It's when I'm on my knees praying to you. It's as tall as I'll ever be in their life. Father, I ask that you protect these children. You protect their hearts. Because the devil is trying so hard to get them not to listen to their parents, get them not to do the things to be pleasing in your sight, and to make choices in their life that will only hurt them. But some of them will have to make choices like that before they'll grow up. And they'll have to realize things in their life that I needed to listen more to my mom and dad and my grandpa and grandma. But I know that, and I have to put everything in your hands. But help them, Father, to remember that you love them, that love will always be there for them. Father, watch over Chris and Bethany as they take Lily and Lizzie back home, and watch over Tiffany as she takes Mark and Mason and Winnie and Lizzie and Rose back home with them. Her, protect them as they travel on the road. They're always welcome to come to our house and to see us. And maybe next time they come, they'll all want to help me pull nails. And I know they're looking forward to that, because I sure need their help. I'm getting behind on my nail. So And I'm looking forward to warmer weather where we can all get out and play and do things together. Father, watch over all the boys and girls.
Yea, though I tread through this valley of death, I will fear no wrong, 'cause you are my guide, and you comfort my sad eyes, and give me the strength to move on. And through trials and through snares, while my enemies wait and stare, oh, you are there. When valleys come